Hi there, in this video, I'll show you how to find drafts on Instagram. To start this tutorial, go ahead and open your Instagram application in your mobile device. Once here, click on your profile. And then click on the new post. In here, you can choose from any photos in your gallery. It's all up to you. Add some filters, click on next. And then this time, we're going to be saving this one as a draft. We're going to go back and then click on Save Draft. Now, let's exit the new post. Go back to your profile, make a new post again. And in here, you will finally see a drafts option. Then you will see your draft post. Just click on it and then post it. And that's it. Once you refresh your timeline, your new post should already be there. It's already here, right? And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.